Go date all the other girls, figure out who you want to take to prom, NDAs. We get closer and closer, we talk more. We're going to answer all your questions with Zoom calls. Try to get a team of qualified people that can make sense of the stuff we're sharing. What we don't like to do is you call us, you ask us 100 questions, we talk to you for an hour, and then you go back and then you hire an engineer or whatever. He wants to have the answers to all this stuff. And so then we got to regurgitate it all to an engineer. And then you got a finance guy. He wants to understand it before he gives you a loan. So we got to regurgitate it all the time. Honestly, we're doing this. You can't imagine the amount of calls. And then at night, we start all over with everybody around the world. So it's just impossible. If you're excited, give us a call. Okay? We're going to boy howdy. We're going to show you some love. We're going to answer your initial questions. Even though almost all those questions are in our pre-videos that we share. You don't have to do NDAs or nothing. Just register. Actually, a bunch of them you don't even have to register. And then there's some that you got to register for. And then the good stuff, in the weeds, detail stuff, that we have to have NDAs on. It's just common sense. Give us a call initially. We'll go over some of this stuff, and then we'll send you some emails that walk you through. Do this and this and this. Put together your team. Come out here for 2 days, one-on-one with me with every single question, so that when I answer a question, how are we doing top plates? How are we going to do windows? How do we tie out top plate into the footing or whatever? I can tell you all this stuff, but if you don't know construction or you're not an engineer, you're like, okay. James, how much is this? How is this affordable? Yeah, it's half a cent a cubic inch. Awesome. What's that mean exactly? Okay, if you don't know construction, none of the stuff we're sharing with you is going to make sense, because if we say we can build walls for, $15 per running foot, you don't know whether to be excited or like, that's terrible. So you got to have the right people with you to make sense of the stuff we're sharing with you.